Settle into a comfortable position, making sure you will not be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a deep inhale for the count of 4. Hold for 2 seconds and exhale for the count of 4. While you are inhaling, just say to yourself, breathing in. On the exhale, say breathing out. Now, I want you to imagine you are standing on a soft, white, sandy beach, looking out to the ocean. You have the beach to yourself. The sun is beginning to rise, and you can feel a beautiful warm air surround you. You feel more and more relaxed as you continue to take deep breaths. Gently sit down and cross your legs into a comfortable position. Feel the softness of the sand between your toes. Become balanced and imagine the sand grounding you as it connects you with Mother Earth. Close your eyes and take in the sounds of the ocean. Listen to the waves gently reaching the shore. Continue to breathe deeply, feeling your tummy inflate on the inhale and rise up towards your chest. This time, on the exhale, breathe out through your lips, slowly and steadily. Breathe in warm air on every inhale. With each exhale, breathe out any tension from your body. Feel the shoulders relax down. Feel your jaw relax. Let go of your tummy. Relax your thigh muscles. Relax your buttocks. Relax your arms and hands. As you continue to listen to the waves crashing in from the ocean, feel your body become more energized and light. Your hands start to tingle. Your legs are tingling. Feel yourself deeply rooted to the sand, unmoving. You begin to imagine your perfect holiday home from the front. Walk up your driveway and make your way inside through the front door. Take in the different colors and scents of the flowers in your garden. Notice how clean the windows are. As you step into your house, look around the hallway and notice how bright and airy it is. You feel safe and comfortable. Make your way to the main living area. The first thing that hits you when you open the door is the spectacular view of the ocean from your house. You are right on the ocean front and can see the whiter than white sand just after the edge of your garden. You feel completely at ease and let go of any tension that you may be holding in your body. The living area is bright with everything you need to enjoy perfect family vacations. As you step outside, you feel incredibly lucky to have such a beautiful vacation home. The surrounding area is simply paradise. You look to the left and see the barbecue area, which will be perfect for get-togethers when your family and friends join you. You take a walk through your garden and down to the beach. Feel the soft, warm sand between your toes. As you get to the water's edge, turn around and look back at your house. Notice how your vacation home is the perfect size for you. Look up to the veranda that opens out from the master bedroom. It is stunning. The color of the house against the deep blue, cloudless sky is absolutely beautiful and makes your heart beat faster with pure gratitude and joy. Walk back to your garden and lie down on the deck chair. Feel the warm breeze on your face. You are feeling deeply relaxed and very content. Thank the universe for bringing you such a perfect vacation home. Repeat the following affirmations. I own my perfect vacation home. My vacation home is exactly where I want it. I deserve to have a vacation home. My vacation home is in the perfect setting for me. My family and I have so much fun on our vacations. My vacations are filled with joy and laughter. My vacation home is in a beautiful neighborhood. I have delightful neighbors. My vacation home fulfills my every need. I own my vacation home outright. I have enough money to buy my perfect vacation home. I always feel safe and at ease in my vacation home. My vacation home is safe and secure. I am a very lucky person. Now, take a moment to feel gratitude and joy for your wonderful life and the continuous miracles it produces. Take several deep breaths and slowly count down from 5 through to 1. Starting at 5, you begin to wake up from the meditative state. 4. You are becoming more alert. 3. Stretch your arms up and take a deep breath. 2. Slowly begin to open your eyes. 1. Open your eyes fully. You are now fully awake, feeling refreshed and energized.